Welcome to Exclusive Care's Wellness channel, developed by Exclusive Care's wellness program, Healthy Highways. Today's short video will focus on an exercise we are all familiar with, the push-up. As with other Strength Skills series videos, we are trying to take basic strength movements and categorize them in a way that makes exercise selection simple and easy. Push-ups would be categorized as horizontal pushes. Horizontal pushes are any pushing or pressing movement that runs perpendicular to the spine. Other popular examples would be a barbell bench press or machine chest press. The setup for the push-up is simple, but there are some subtle details that should be addressed. Begin on the ground on your hands and knees. Position your hands so that they are directly under your shoulders. The hands may be slightly wider or more narrow than the shoulders depending on the preference of the individual and the specific goal of the exercise, but the hands should not be placed higher or lower than the shoulders. The arms must make a perpendicular line with the ground when viewed from the side. Next, position the feet so that the pads of the toes are in contact with the ground, and when the legs are straightened, the body creates a near-perfect straight line from the ankles to the head. From this near straight-lined position, straighten your legs so that your thighs tighten, clamp down on your glutes, and brace your abdominals as if you were going to take a punch to the gut. Last but not least, point your fingers forward and grip the ground hard. Corkscrew your hands into the ground so that your elbows point slightly behind you. This should result in your chest being puffed up and your armpits getting nice and tight. You're now ready to do a push-up. Lower yourself toward the ground, maintaining all the tightness you have just created, and aggressively push yourself back to the starting position. The depth of the push-up will vary slightly based on the individual, but lowering your chest to roughly 3 inches off of the ground is a good starting point. If you find that a full push-up is too difficult for you, a variation called an eccentric push-up may be a helpful modification. In an eccentric push-up, you put all of your focus on lowering yourself to the ground in a slow, controlled manner, then push yourself back to a kneeling position and repeat. Compared to the typical modified push-up from the knees, the eccentric push-up will better prepare the individual for a full push-up due to the fact that the individual will be used to supporting and controlling their entire body weight. As strength and timing improves, single repetition push-ups can be added into sets of eccentric push-ups and then progressed. Once again, we thank you for joining us at Exclusive Care's Healthy Highways. We hope you found this information helpful.